China EV Post is reporting that BYD has revealed more images of its upcoming all-electric sedan, the Qin L EV, as it gears up for launch. The new photos show the car from multiple angles, highlighting a design similar to BYD's Han EV. The rear logo suggests it will feature BYD's God's IC smart driving system, which is designed for more affordable models. The Qin family has been a major success for BYD, with 732,000 units sold in 2024, making up over 17% of the company's new energy vehicle sales. The Qin L EV will come with a 110 kilowatt motor and a top speed of 100 miles per hour. Meanwhile, BYD's premium brand, Denza, has opened pre-sales for the N9 SUV, with prices starting at $62,100. The company continues expanding its lineup with both electric and hybrid models, including the Qin L DMI and Seal 06 DMI, which use BYD's latest hybrid technology aimed at improving fuel efficiency. You are listening to Yuan News.